Hello everyone, my name is Manju. Today I am presenting a Power BI project I made about AtliQ Hardware Company. AtliQ Hardware Company is a multinational hardware company. However, it is facing some issues in Latin America due to its outdated data analytics uses. So, their executives decided to start a project named Business Insights 360 to understand the overall performance of AtliQ. Here you can see the Business Insights 360 dashboard on my screen. Let me go through this project. This is home page. Here I have placed all the icons of the dashboard. As we can see, this is a finance icon, sales icon, marketing icon, supply chain icon, executive icon, and supportive icon. All these icons behaves like buttons. If you want to view finance view, we just have to control click on the finance view. It will automatically redirect to the finance view. This is finance view dashboard. On left side we have filters on region, market, segment, category, and product, and customers. Here we can filter according to the view that we want to see. And also we have filters on year wise, quarters, and year to day or year to go. And we also have a toggle button between last year and target. If we click on last year, the whole dashboard shows data according to the last year. Then I created this profit and loss statement as well. This is very much important of any finance team. And coming to this visual, this chart shows net sales of current year and the previous year. If we click on target button, this area chart shows net sales of current year and target. As we can see, both the current year and target lines are overlapping, which shows the company meeting the targets. But if we click on gross margin percentage, this area chart will shows data according to gross margin percentage. As we can see, the lines of target and gross margin percent is not meeting. And these are top and bottom products and customers by gross margin percentage. If we see in area chart, the gap between target and gross margin percent is more in November 2021. Let's look in detail what happened in November 2021. If we click on November 2021, in profit and loss statement, the net sales is positive, but gross margin percentage is in negative. Here in epic region, we can see the change percent is lowest, which is minus 9.48%. And in the segment, the value is low in notebook. In notebook segment, we have three categories. So the company is lagging behind the target of gross margin percent in these three products. Then I created these new cards for net sales, gross margin percent, and net profit percent. This is all about finance view. Let's look on to sales view. This is sales view. Here we have a customer performance table, product performance table, unit economics, and performance matrix. In customer performance table, I have placed a line chart according to the customer. If we click on Amazon customer, the line chart shows gross margin percent and net sales. I have created this line chart by using tooltip, and this is performance matrix of the net sales and gross margin percent of all the regions, and this is product performance, and this is unit economics, and in this we are making net sales of 50%, and almost 50% the company giving discounts to the customers in the form of pre-invoice and post-invoice deductions. And on overall 100 percentage of net sales, the company spending 38% on COGS. And then we have total gross margin of 61.92%. Next, move to marketing view. In marketing view, again we have performance matrix of net sales and net profit percent. Also, I created another view through bookmark that says show gross margin percent and net profit percent. And again we have a similar thing like two different performance list here. One is for product segment and one is for market. And again we have a donut chart here. It shows gross margin and COGS, and this waterfall chart divided this to gross margin into gross margin and operational expenses and net profit. Then we have supply chain view. Supply chain is a parcel of any organization. In supply chain, we have again three new cards like forecast accuracy, net error, absolute error. What forecast accuracy says, how much it is nearer to the forecast they have done, because in a supply chain forecast accuracy is very important. What is the risk level, whether we are going out of stock or we have excess inventory, that we can understand from the forecast accuracy and net error. Here again we have all the customers, because supply chain is more with the customers, because they have to deal with each customers. If some customers going out of stock, if some customers is having the excess inventory, so they can track the performance here. So that's why we have key matrix by customers here. Then we have a chart here which shows overall idea of how the things have been performing throughout the fiscal year. Then more to executive view. Then we have a very important executive view. This dashboard is not utilized by everyone. The senior executives have the permission to see this dashboard to show the overall market performance of AtliQ Hardware. They should have most of the information. They should be also aware about what their competitors are doing. So that's why we have created this particular ribbon chart, and these BP, Dell, Innova, and Pacer, these are AtliQ competitors, and we have AtliQ market share 5.9%. And similarly we have top 5 customers and products. And we have this chart shows how the net sales, gross margin percent, net profit, and net profits are doing along with the AtliQ market share. And we have all the main cards described here. And this table, according to subzone, we can see India is highest in the revenue contribution of the AtliQ hardware, which is 25.3%. As I said earlier, that AtliQ has facing some issues in Latin America. Here we can see Latin America is lowest in the revenue contribution, which is 0.4%. This is revenue by division. As we can see, the PC division is contributing 61.33% of all total revenue among all subdivisions. And this is revenue by channel. AtliQ has three channels: direct, retailer, and distributor. Among these, retailer having generated 71.5% of total revenue to AtliQ. This is all about executive view. Let's move to home page. This concludes my presentation for this project Business Insights 360. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Please feel free to provide your inputs on the presentation. Thank you again.